Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to quickly fix the memory error in Apex Legends. So let's get started. First, restart your game and PC. This clears temporary files and can resolve the issue instantly. If that doesn't work, update your graphics driver. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience AMD Adrenalin on your manufacturer's website to download the latest driver. Next, lower your in-game video settings. Reduce texture streaming budget, shadow quality, and model detail to ease memory usage. Verify game files through Steam or EA apps. If it is in Steam, right-click Apex Legends, Properties, Uninstall files, then go Verify integrity. If it's in an EA app, go to My Collection, Apex Legends, go Manage, then Repair. Close background apps like browsers or Discord overlays or recording software to free up RAM. If you're on Windows, increase your virtual memory. Search Advanced System Settings, then click Performance Settings, then go to Advanced, then change Virtual Memory, and set a custom size, examples like 1.5 times your RAM. Still stuck? Reinstall Apex Legends as a latest resort. Back up your setting first. Pro tip: keep Windows in your game update to avoid compatibility issues. And that's it, you've just tackled the Apex Legends memory error. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fixes. Let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.